Market Pulse, navigating the waves of change. In early action, GIFT Nifty is seen struggling to build on its Friday's gains, which were primarily led by Federal Reserve's relatively dovish rate cut outlook. Please note, the FOMC outlook for 3/4-point rate cuts this year, which ideally benefits emerging markets like India. But we suspect the street is getting ahead of itself, as Fed rate cut in June is not yet a done deal. We say so because the January and February US consumer inflation readings were a bit sticky, and hence Fed will be data dependent until rising inflation is off the front pages. So, commanding attention to investors will be the Core Personal Consumption Expenditure (PCE) index, which will trickle in on Friday, 29th March. The Fed's next policy meeting is 30th April to 1st May, and then all eyes will be on June 11-12 at FOMC meeting. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests Nifty bulls are likely to turn hesitant on any excessive intraday bounce, as mild profit booking could be the order of the day. Bottom line, modest corrective declines do not guarantee bears' day out. We suspect Nifty bulls may regroup at lower levels. Global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, despite a positive session, FIIs net sold to the tune of Rs 3310 crores. DIIs, however, bought shares to the tune of Rs 3765 crores. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Sentiment is likely to be risky. Nifty's technicals are suggesting rebound play. F&O data suggests the likely trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,500 to 23,000 zone. India VIX has tumbled towards 12.22 levels. Falling VIX is in favor Nifty bulls. Nifty PCR, 28th March, is at 1.24. Nifty outlook, an up and down session is quite likely. Nifty, CMP to 2097. Intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 21,921 mark, while major support placed at 21,711 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 22,251 mark. Range for the day, 21,950 minus 22,250. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 46865. Intraday support is placed at 46,271 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at its all-time high at 47,307 mark. Range for the day, 46,400 to 47,300. Bias for the day is positive. Our stock markets will be closed on Friday, 29th March, in observance of Good Friday. Oil prices have risen towards $82 a barrel following a terrorist attack in Russia over the weekend and continued drone attacks by Ukraine on Russian oil refineries. IT stocks are likely to trade sluggish after Accenture lowered its revenue forecasts on backdrop of tough macro economy. Accenture's revised outlook anticipates full-year revenue growth to be within the range of 1% to 3% compared to its earlier projection of 2% to 5%. Please note, TCS officially sets afire the ceremonial starters pistol for Q4 earnings season on 12 April.